In Bohr's theory, the potential energy of an electron at a position is kr square by 2, where k is a positive constant. Then the quantized energy of the electron in the nth orbit is. Dear students, here given that potential energy of that electron P equal to U, that is kr square by 2, question 1. And according to the quantization of angular momentum, we can write mvr equal to nh by 2 pi. Dear students, we know that here to revolve the electron around the nucleus, it requires some centripetal force. Here that centripetal force simply we can write minus du by dr. From this centripetal force equal to minus d by dr of kr square by 2. From this centripetal force equal to, we'll get here minus kr. Here this negative sign, okay, shows that this centripetal force acts toward the center. Or this we can write simply mv square by r, the expression for centripetal force, where m is the mass of electron and v be the speed and r be the radius, equal simply kr. From this mv square equal to kr square, it is equation number, okay, take 3. Now from equation 2 and 3, you take here 2 square by 3, squaring that equation number 2 and divide with 3. You will get here m square v square r square divided by mv square equal to n square h square by 4 pi square divided by kr square. So from this we will get here r square equal to nh divided by 2 pi root k into m, the equation number 4. Here we have to calculate the total energy. So here total energy nothing but potential energy plus kinetic energy. So first we calculate that potential energy U equal to kr square by 2. From this k by 2 into r square, that is nh by 2 pi root k into m. Therefore potential energy U equal to, get here nh by 4 pi root k by m. So this is equation number 5. And kinetic energy equal to half mv square. From this, here we know that from equation number 3, mv square is given by kr square, that equal to half kr square. Okay, by substituting this r value, here also will get here, this is we'll get here nh by 4 pi root k by m, equation number 6. Now the total energy of that electron is given by the sum of that potential energy plus kinetic energy. By substituting this potential energy and kinetic energy, okay, we'll get here nh by 2 pi, that is k by m power 1 by 2, that is root k by m. So correct option is given by second one, that is nh by 2 pi into k by m power 1 by 2.